Mark's got a paper towel on there. We've just painted this frame. We don't want to ding the paint at all. Mark's going to lift up the corner of the car only to take weight off of the corner here so that he can take that this main bolt out of the upper control arm without the car falling to pieces here. So if he picks it up just so that he takes the weight off of it, then he can manipulate it. A bunch of fresh, really expensive paint and close tolerances mean this is a hand operation here, not a pneumatic tool. Okay, so there's a locking nut on the back. He's got that off. Now he's going to loosen up these jam nuts on the control arms before he pulls the whole thing apart, so there's plenty of weight on here. He's being real careful. This is a bunch of new chrome pieces here. We don't want to booger anything up. And that's why it's in Mark's stall. He's the one that's real good at this suspension stuff. He's got the patience for it. So with any luck, it'll clear the headlight.
No luck.
No luck. So we get to pull the headlight out.
Pull this out. Feel like a lot of pressure, does it?
No.